Hi, it's Kevin Main here with Torus Power, and I'm here with the Torus Power wall mount unit. So the wall mount unit is a unit that we make for high-performance custom installation projects. This allows an integrator to bring the power into the Torus Power transformer and then deliver it through different output circuits to various locations throughout the install site. We start with the Torus Power isolation transformer. This is the foundation of all of the products that we make. The isolation transformer is a way of isolating the audio-video equipment from all of the problems and artifacts and issues that are on the voltage line. In this particular unit, we also offer automatic voltage regulation. The automatic voltage regulation is looking at the voltage that's coming into the environment and making sure that the output voltage is exactly right for the connected equipment. We also offer several ways of protecting the connected equipment, from the commercial-grade surge board to the transformer, which acts as a buffer for any surges. And also on the output side, we have a series mode surge suppressor board on the output. So multiple ways of protecting the connected equipment, all delivering the best power foundation for a large AV project. For more information, visit us at toruspower.com.